Timber loader. Let's drag the part to the right place. Try it on your own. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Timber loader. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is. It's ready. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Go on. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray! We need to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. Now we need to fill it. Hydraulic hammer. Done! Let's crack the biggest rocks. Wash. Hydraulic hammer. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. We need to assemble. Bulldozer. It's time to fuel. Bulldozer. That's all. We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! We need to assemble. Excavator. It's time to fuel. Excavator. Amazing! Let's dig a pit. Let's wash. Excavator.